Midnight. A hunting dog foraging. Detect a large object in front of you. This is the body of an elephant. Hounds have long not eaten no matter but 721. One end goes into the elephant's anus. If it's normal, hunting dogs basically can't hunt elephants. You are lucky tonight. Even though it's a dead body, even so can be full. A naturally alert hunting dog looking around the elephant charges. Fear of anything dangerous or untoward. After observing the left and right and carefully analyzing, eating this food should be eaten safely. So it crashed into an elephant's anus and aggressively put input into estimates. Now the elephant's gut has been enlarged. Expression of the hound. People taking pictures with surveillance cameras. This guy has a good appetite. It's a rotting animal that he can get out of his mouth. Look out, the warrior's scream is not in vain. You want to know if the dog can breathe? He is inside looking at how to lower his mouth. Or are you eating something, Cho? Just Shallallahu Alaihi Wasallam the aggressive hound ho the elephant's white lips. Pull the head out. After a save observation, put your head back in shit. Very much want to say. The hunting dogs are now eating the bombs wrapped in a shell. Not necessarily his meal as he down. The elephant's body will explode. Smash it into the ashes. The danger comes very quickly. When the dog pokes its head out again, there was a loud noise in the elephant's stomach. Then the anus will swell a big one. Big white bubble. Why? Is it a sign of an explosion? Inside the elephant's charges will be eaten by 6 bacteria. The body produces a lot of rotting gas. Gases produced during decomposition accumulates in animals. A surface of gas accumulating in the body more and more. On the other hand, as the decomposition progresses, the animal's belly will thin. When the pressure in the stomach is too high, it could explode. It's actually just the process of 6 organisms breaking down naturally. It doesn't happen when the organism is alive. There is very high pressure on the skin of the corpse. It's like a big one about to explode. It's like a balloon. If something is handled improperly, there will be an explosion. Meat crumbs flying around with a bad smell. So if we encountered the carcasses of large animals, must know. You don't know what the end result was. Which the hound was. When the high pressure falls to the side, it could be body parts flying in. It is not possible to directly destroy. They say the body is at risk. Rigid sets require careful. Okay, the video of this ends here. Do you have anything to say? Please leave a message in the comment area to discuss. If you like it, please like it. The video of this issue ends here. See you later.